website or course, you will usually find buttons giving you information on navigating the course. You might see buttons in a website or course that take you to a specific part of the website or course, such as buttons that say "Start here" or links to the syllabus or instructor bio. As an instructor, buttons give you more control of how users navigate your course besides the Learning Management System course navigation menu. Sometimes the LMS menu does not allow you to add a link, so buttons are a good option for bringing attention to a particular link. You can also use buttons to create links for internal course links or external links. So how do you go about creating buttons for your course if you're not a graphic designer or experienced Adobe Photoshop user? There are several options for creating buttons, such as using Canva, but I will go over a free and easy to use online software called the Button Factory. Start by going to http://www.clickminded.com/button-generator. There is no need to create an account to use the Button Factory. You can easily create a button by entering the button text and choosing a button style. Let's start by entering the button text first. Under button text, enter the desired text for your button. You can always preview your button by looking at your button towards the top of your page. You also have the option to undo or redo any steps. You can choose the font and choose to whether to bold or italicize your font. Other options include size of font and color, text shadow, and distance of the shadow to the text, as well as the color of the shadow. Lastly, how big do you want your button and what size do you want to use for the padding? Or in other words, how far do you want the text from the edge of the button? Once you enter the text and decide the font, color, and size and other options, you can choose your button style. You can decide if you want a rounded, rectangular, or fully rounded button. Do you want your button to have a solid background, two-color background, a simple gradient, or a pyramid gradient that involves several colors? Lastly, you can choose the color, bubble effect, button border, or if you want your button to have a shadow. Once you are done entering the button text and choosing the button style, you're ready to download your button to use in your online course. To download, simply go towards the top where you can preview your button and click on download. You will be prompted to save it to your computer. Once you finish creating and downloading your buttons, you can upload your buttons to your course to use. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create buttons for your course. You might find it helpful when you want to develop a specific course navigation. Buttons not only help to bring attention to course links, but also adds a nice touch to your course. Do you use buttons in your class? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for taking this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.